what course are you taking?
I'm studying geology.
Victor Steven, my name.
Are you a student here?
Yeah.
What do you study?
I'm a student, geography and environmental management.
Geology, that's very nice. So, can you throw more light on that? What's the course all about?
Okay, geology is like a branch of science that deals with the study of earth and rocks and minerals. Yeah.
Okay, that's very nice.
Environmental
So,
management.
geography and environmental management.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that? Can you explain more about it?
About the course?
Yes.
Yeah, the course is all about, like, it's similar to geology, but I won't say that it's geology. You understand? It's all about Earth, the universe, and what minerals you can gain, and also it's also relevant, like relative with kind of economical issue in Nigeria. So we are both into economic also.
Nice. All right. So, can you share with us some of your best experience in school?
Okay, this school, this school is not easy. Okay, my best experience. That was like year 1, year 2. I don't know. I cannot remember any best experience because this school they show me shege.
God, nice.
But yeah, the field we actually go for field work. My department, yeah.
Right.
I think every semester, every semester we go for field work, and then my department, they have these other institutions like NAPE, National Association of Petroleum and Gas Industry, So they deal with all these, they do all these conferences, and it opens our mind. They have different branches. Sometimes they host in Lagos, they host in Port Harcourt. But the last time that I experienced with them was in Lagos, and it was a mad experience.
All right, that's nice. So can you share with me some of your best experience in school?
Let me say, as a new intake, I haven't gotten enough experience right now. But with the experience I've seen, it's stressful, guy.
Have you in any way contributed to the academic work?
I'm just a student, so I've not yet.
Okay, so why do you choose Uniport?
Okay, Uniport is actually it's a good institution, and I preferred Uniport to UST. I don't know why. I just liked Uniport for everything. The fact that the school has good teaching standard.
Why do you choose Uniport in the first place?
Seriously, to be frank, in the River State, I'm indigenous of River State. I see Uniport as the best schools. Keep aside the so-called break, holiday, what is it to call it?
As to strike.
Yeah, as to strike, all of that. But apart from that, as for me and some experienced people in Uniport is more like it's one of the best.
Okay. So lastly, if you were to advise the upcoming, the younger generation into the academic world, what would be your best advice?
Please go to school.
Okay, just go to school.
Please go to school, learn, get your certificates, and you're good.
So if you are to advise the upcoming generation into the academic world, what would be your best advice for them?
My best advice is just for consistency.
Consistency?
You understand? And determination.
Determination.
Yeah.
So can you explain what you mean by that?
Consistency and determination. You can also relate it with your passion. You understand? If you want to go into something, it should be your all. Put yourself all. For example, I don't come into Uniport to study my course right now. Let me just say it's transfer approved. Yeah, they transferred me into that course, but it doesn't mean that I'm still going to backslide. I'll still have the passion of being a geographer also. So I'm passionate to be a geographer. That is just it. I have the passion for it.
Okay. So after school, what do you intend doing?
I'm actually work and the both. So I'm a business person, so I'll just join the both.
So I think aside school, aside the academic journey, do you have any other thing doing?
Yeah. I'm a forex trader, Okay, I'm a forex trader,
That's very nice. Big shot.
I'm a forex trader.
All right, thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. Peter, by name and you?
I'm Elizabeth.
All right, thank you very much.
All right.
All right, thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. Peter, what's your name?
Yeah.
And you?
I'm Victor Steven.
All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you, no problem.
All right, boss, over to you. So, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here.
So, what do you study, sir?
Study geography and environmental management.
Okay, geography and environmental management. So, what's your best experience in your field of study?
My best experience in this course right now though it wasn't because I was
You apply for
I applied for civil engineering.
civil engineering,
So they transferred me to
geography and environment.
so the thing is that you just have to like love wherever you are. You understand? Because that's life for you.
Yeah.
Most cases your prayers don't get answered according to what you prayed for.
Yeah.
You get answered in another way.
All right.
So since you are the person, you know what you want, you know what you are going for, and things change for you, you just have to accept the fact that you have to follow up with whatever comes your way. Love it and do it.
Okay. Lastly, sir. So, if you are to advise the upcoming generation into the academic world, what would be your best advice for them?
The upcoming generation, my best advice for them to stay focused, even though they are not getting exactly what they asked for. They should just stay focused. They should just continue loving what they have. You understand? Because in most cases, it's what you hate or what you don't like, that is what you don't get. But if you like it, if you pursue it, no matter what happens, you always get it.
Okay, apart from this, your academic journey, do you have any other side hustle, like other thing you are doing?
Really, I get many now.
Alright, so do you also advise the upcoming generation to have multiple sources of income? as well?
Sure now, they should do that because one disadvantage is that just avoid the finish. You understand? So it's better you just like after classes you look for one or two things to do, or maybe during the holidays look for something to do, so that because one thing is that once if you don't have shelter, you don't have clothing, you don't have like all those few things, if you don't have them, you won't be focused in school. Because when you come to school, what you'll be thinking about is that I'm always just aware tomorrow and after we will talk for the afternoon, we will talk for artifacts. You understand?
Yeah.
All these kind of things they come your mind and classes they go on. After the class now you go surprise say one thing like this you know go grab. Again. So I will advise them that if they have the opportunity to go out and also after classes, then in the night they can do their reading at the rest. I will advise them to do.
Alright, thank you very much for your advice. I do
You're
appreciate
welcome.
your time. Once more, and Peter by name and you.
Osoba Marvelous.
Obama.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Nice meeting you. Thanks.